No, I'm not the man in the moon, but I am Dick Nichols, known far and wide as the go-to-guy realtor from Realty Executives, Arizona territory. And if you've been dreaming of a home that feels like a personal retreat, well, I've got the place for you. This Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., you're invited as my guest to the open house at a property affectionately dubbed A Little Bit of Heaven. Now, why does it have that name? Because every corner, from the sunlit living room to the serene backyard oasis, feels like its own slice of paradise. Come see for yourself. Now, located at 2460 North Calvary Trail, Tucson, Arizona, zip code 85749, this gem sits directly across from the 49er Golf and Country Club, just off of Tanca Verde Road and Old Soldier Road. Whether you love a round of golf or sunrise in the evenings on your patio, this home delivers. You will not be disappointed. To make sure you get the insider details, floor plans, feature highlights, and neighborhood insights, I've asked my assistant, Sabrina, to share more about this wonderful home. So, take it away, Sabrina.
Hi, my name is Sabrina. I am Dick Nichols, the GoToGuy's realtor assistant. I guess you can think of me as his go-to gal for real estate customer service. Dick asked me to thank you for checking out this beautiful home known as A Little Bit of Heaven, located in prestigious Reddington Estates at 2460 North Cavalry Trail in Tucson. I'm really very glad to meet you. I'm excited to personally share a few reasons why I feel this custom-built residence is more than just a listing. It's a little bit of heaven. Designed and built by respected custom home builder Mr. Angelo Deline, as his personal residence, the home radiates unmatched quality of design, craftsmanship, and care. Every detail, inside and out, was chosen with intention and maintained with pride. But what truly gives this home its name, A Little Bit of Heaven, is the lifestyle it invites and provides to a future buyer. Imagine starting your day with the glorious Rincon Mountain sunrises that beautifully paints the skies, and ending your evening with Rincon Mountain sunsets of purple shades of majesty that leave you speechless. Then, spending your night beneath a blanket of stars in one of Arizona's most tranquil pockets. There are plenty of things to enjoy from this wonderful and convenient setting. First, as you step outside your door, you're only a 2-minute walk from the 49er Golf and Country Club. Even faster if you use your golf cart housed in the attached custom 3-car garage. Or take in a scenic, breathtaking 30-minute drive and find yourself in the cooler elevation and natural wonder of Mount Lemmon, with sightseeing, hiking, biking, fishing, snow skiing, dining, and more. The convenience of this home's location will provide you with great dining, entertainment, ease of shopping, groceries, medical services, ease of transportation, and much more. This home will provide you the feeling like it was built for peace, perspective, and inspiration. And I'd love to help the right buyer discover a little bit of heaven. Whether you are a realtor or prospective home buyer, take the next step. See for yourself the beauty of this wonderful home. Call or text the go-to guy, Dick Nichols, at 52030-61599, or email Dick, gotoguy@dicknichols.com. Dick will listen to your needs, answer any concerns, and schedule a personal tour for you. P.S. Let Dick know that I sent you. It never hurts for my boss, knowing I'm on the job.
Well, thank you, Sabrina. Great job. Hey, folks, I'm on the Open House TV show. In fact, I've been a regular since day one when they opened up here in Tucson over 6 years ago. And I want you to be my guest. Click on the link below. Go to the Open House TV show. We're on KGUN, KGUN, Channel 9, every Sunday. And it's a great program with my buddy Robert Bettis, who is the host of the show. You can see him standing there. And anyway, come and click on the link below and watch a little bit of the Open House show. In fact, watch something about A Little Bit of Heaven. All right. Have a great day, and thank you so very much.